This is an entire wall surrounding what's called the choir, the main part, the main sanctuary. And the sculptures, this is the end of it, tell the story of Mary's life. I think this is where she and Joseph get married. And I'm taking this video especially for my mother, who has a beautiful white nativity scene. And I'll show you in a moment how this has changed and been cleaned up recently as part of the restoration. Here come the angels. I think these might be the shepherds. Here are the kings with their gifts. I think this is Mary giving birth. And this is Mary venerated. So stay with me here. I'm going to zoom out. This beautiful, incredibly detailed sculpture surrounding this whole thing. I think in another video I have shown the extent of it. Now look over here where you see white and not white on this pillar. Zoom in. Excuse my finger. On the left, you can see where they have cleaned the soot. And on the right is the part that has not been restored yet. Isn't that incredible? How many hundreds of years of candles burning. And again, more that has not been restored. And here is the part that has been cleaned, and someone told me it's also been whitewashed. I'm going to take you over now to the Black Madonna Chapel. This is called Our Lady of the Pillar. She's dressed up, but she's still a Black Madonna. This is always where the most votives are. I've written a few here for my ancestors. I think I might have taken a picture of this before. Mary and Jesus dressed up. That is, though, a sculpture of the Black Madonna, which is what continually surfaces from the common people here in Chartres. Perfect time to be passed by the French children. Alane, Freund, HSP travel vlog from inside the Chartres Cathedral. Next, we're going to the labyrinth.